Hello everyone, and this is Dr. Rodrija Sharkar, and I'm currently heading the Department of Food Science and Nutrition Management at JD Birla Institute. At JD Birla Institute, we work towards the holistic development of a student and help to make them grow into a responsible person. At the Department of Food Science and Nutrition Management, we have both undergraduate, postgraduate, and a diploma program, and which together accumulates to almost about 150 to 160 students. This department has it's unique in its kind and very unique in the city because our course is so designed we that it can cater to the needs of the students according to the profession they want to be in. The students who pass out from this particular course can work as nutritionists, as dietitians, as food auditors, as dietetic counselors, and many more opportunities. They even has an opportunity to work as food safety officers. To be food analyzers, where they actually work for food quality analysis. Um, we have a very good quality of teachers, very well qualified teachers who are experts in their own area of specialization. And moreover, we have a very updated curriculum which follow the choice based credit system, which allows a student to choose a specialization according to their choice. We For value addition to the course, we also call experts, academicians from and even industry personals in campus, so that the students can gain first-hand knowledge straight from the experts. um, we at our institute, the students get opportunity to participate in a lot of co-curricular activities. There are many activities, events which we celebrate in our college, and the students actually find too much of interest in participating in these college events. Um, Therefore, one more thing which I would like to add on is, like, in our department, like in all our departments, together at JDBI, we always strive, to remain updated in all terms. And we try to identify the slow and the advanced learners in our class and cater to their personal needs, so that they always can think JDBI, their college, as their second home. And we as teachers always try to bring all the different levels of learners at par, so that for us all students are the same. So we try to cater to their needs, to their um, requisitions, and so that they feel at home. All our students, we do think them to be our own child, and work towards their better future. um, Other than that, I would just like to conclude by saying that um, JDBI is one of its kind, and under that, Department of Food Science and Nutrition Management will give you a very bright future. And we would look forward for students to choose our college as their alma mater. Thank you so much.